You think you know me.
Hey everybody, this is Andrew from T is for Tech. Today I'm just doing a quick unboxing as a follow-up to the video that I did the other day where I unboxed the iPhone 12 Pro Max in graphite. Now this is a Apple Watch, obviously, Apple Watch Series 6, also in graphite. So this is the stainless steel version in graphite. In this video I'm just doing a quick unboxing. I know there's a lot of people on YouTube interested in this color, this stainless steel version, the graphite. So I just wanted to do an unboxing here, and then I'll have some probably follow-up videos on the usage of it and whatnot in the future, along with the iPhone 12 Pro Max. But just wanted to take a quick unboxing, take a look at this, and yeah. So this is how they come nowadays. It's in a single box. You get the watch and the band. Now this is obviously, like I said, the Series 6. Graphite stainless steel, and I just got the black sport band. This is 44 millimeter black sport band. Nothing fancy here yet. I don't have any other bands at the moment, just the watch with the sport band. And we'll just do this real quick. So, typical Apple fashion, peel the plastic. And you basically kind of somehow open the packaging. So you haven't seen this. It's kind of like a clamshell packaging now, or an origami packaging where it kind of all folds up. But that's what the outer packaging looks like. Now I guess it's a good way to do it because they're not bundling the watch with the bands anymore. And I think it helps them. I mean, probably helps with Apple's logistics of doing this, because in the past I had the Series 2. That was the last time I had an Apple Watch, was the Series 2 in stainless, and then I had, I think, a Series 3 in aluminum. But they used to come in the package, right? So you'd have the watch, it'd already have the band on it in a box. But now what Apple's doing is basically when you buy it, they're just packaging, whatever band you got with the watch in a separate box. So they can just, pump out a ton of these boxes all for, the actual watch itself with the charger, and then just package whatever band you want with it. So helps on them, I think, probably from a logistics standpoint, I would imagine. So anyways, pull off the top, and there's not much in here. So designed by Apple in California, little paper on how to turn it on, what do you do, how do you pair it, all of that. You've got your wireless charging adapter here, and I don't know if this is a USB, what is this? It's a USB, a regular USB. So regular USB cable plug for the charging adapter. So the watch itself is just kind of in this little paper thing. I don't know if I'm supposed to rip this or what. Well, that's kind of dumb. I thought it would just slide out, but I ended up ripping it, but okay. And then that is the watch. It's basically the same color graphite as the iPhone 12 Pro Max in graphite. Let me grab that real quick. So here's the iPhone, and if you put these up to, it's really hard to see with the light, I guess. I can't even tell. I can't tell if these are like the same or not. I mean, I want to say it would make sense for them to be the same, but I'm not really sure from Apple. But anyways, so shiny, not necessarily like chrome looking shiny, but a little bit more subdued, kind of like that space grayish kind of graphite look. But I mean, it looks really nice. Very cool. I like it. I like the, obviously the red ring around there. So that's what it looks like. So So I'll just open the band up really quick. And like I said, this is just the black sport band. Now, I didn't go for one of those fancy ones, either, you know, like the solo loop or any of the other looped ones yet. I wasn't sure about my wrist size, and I want to be able to like maybe try it on before I order one, because I did the little paper cutout and I'm just not sure, and I don't want to get the wrong size and have to send it back and all that. So like I said, I just ordered this with the sport band. I actually like the sport bands in the past. I mean, it's been I really like how it works, right? I don't have to stretch it over my hand or anything like that. I just put it on and adjust it or whatever. So I do like the sport band. So that's what I am going with right now. I don't know how you get this out of here. Okay. Yeah, I just like, here's the thing. So I've been using like the Fitbit Versa 2. I've been using the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2. But there's just something about Apple products. I mean, yeah, they cost a little bit more money, a little bit more of a premium price, but everything feels just so much better. Like the band. I mean, just, you know, obviously this is nothing new to anybody, but I haven't had one of these for a couple years now, because like I said, the last one was like a Gen 3, where I was actually actively using an Apple Watch. And so it's been a while. And again, I just feels premium, everything. So I'm going to slip this on. And that's basically what you got. Turn it on. Now in this video, I'm not going to connect it to the phone or do anything like that. It's a pretty straightforward process. I really just wanted to kind of try to show off the color of this if possible. And again, these things are so shiny, it's hard to tell with the light what it looks like, but it looks awesome in person. I mean, just a very sharp watch. And I know, you know, lots of folks will say, well, the aluminum ones are fine, you know, it's the aluminum is more lightweight, et cetera, et cetera. And, you know, like I said, I did have aluminum Apple Watch in the past, and I scratched the glass. I scratched the glass, not so much the body of the actual device, but the glass got scratched up within like a week. And I was really ticked off. And I'm not rough with my devices. You know, I take care of all this stuff. You know, I'm pretty aware of what I'm doing. And if I'm banging my wrist against something, etc., I'm really always careful with all of my stuff. And it scratched right away. And then I had the stainless steel one before that with the sapphire glass, and I had it for almost a year and a half. Not one scratch on the glass. I mean, I scuffed up the stainless steel, but that didn't really bother me that much. It's really, you look at the glass, you want the glass to not look like crap or be all scratched up. So that's why I think it's worth on these types of devices to either go to the level of the stainless steel with the glass, with the sapphire, or you're gonna have to wear, you know, you're gonna have to have some sort of glass cover on it, or a screen protector, or bumper, or something like that. And then honestly, then it kind of defeats it, because I just, you know, you like the feel of touching the watch, interacting with the device. And to me, if you have some sort of screen protector, some cheap Chinese screen protector on there, it's just, you know, and then you're touching that and it just doesn't feel as good and it doesn't look as good. So long story short, I think it's worth, you know, definitely getting the stainless steel version. So anyways, I'm going to pair this up with my phone and have some other video probably in the future here with some of my thoughts on it after I'm using this and all of that. But again, just a quick unboxing. Take a look at the Graphite Stainless Steel Apple Watch Series 6 with the black sport band. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll link to this in the description. Please consider subscribing to the channel, giving this video a thumbs up. This is Andrew from Teos for Tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.
You think you